In 2011, people with Medicare are enjoying important new benefits thanks to the health reform law. As of January 1st, people with Medicare pay nothing out of pocket for many preventive services. Also new for 2011 is an annual wellness visit to help create a personalized prevention plan for the year ahead. Preventive care is the best way for you and me to stay healthy so we can live full and productive lives. Now those of us with Medicare have coverage for many preventive services such as annual mammograms, screenings for high blood pressure and diabetes, and testing for osteoporosis and high cholesterol at no cost to us. That means we won't have to pay a deductible, co-insurance, or a co-payment for these tests, or for an expensive procedure like a colonoscopy. It's important for us to get tests like these. When we catch things early, we can work with our doctors in ways that can help treat us more successfully. That can often keep us healthier longer. As part of the annual wellness visit, you can review your medications with your doctor and talk about whether any changes are needed. You can go over your medical records and make sure the most up-to-date information is there and correct. You can talk about changes you can make to improve your health, including getting more exercise or quitting smoking. And you can work with your doctor to identify your health risks and create your own personalized plan for preventing illness. The idea is to help us take charge of our own health, head off medical problems before they're serious, and keep us independent. 2011 brings more relief for people on Medicare with high prescription drug bills. Anyone with Medicare prescription drug coverage whose drug costs push them into the coverage gap, also known as the donut hole, will get a 50% discount on all covered brand name prescription drugs they buy. And in 2011, they'll get 7% off the cost of all generics.
There are 28 million people covered under the Part D program, and we know that about 15% of them at least hit the donut hole. And yes, unfortunately, a substantial number of those patients find that they just can't afford the drugs they need. The Affordable Care Act allowed us last year to begin to help seniors in the donut hole. Last year we mailed out 3.5 million checks to beneficiaries in the donut hole, $250 checks, tax-free. That helped them to afford the drugs that they needed. The donut hole closes gradually between now and 2020 as we progressively increase the discounts that seniors get on their drugs until finally by 2020 there is no donut hole. The proportion that seniors are paying is exactly the same as when they start.
These are real savings for millions of seniors and people with disabilities who have Medicare drug plans. And it means you'll be out of the donut hole that much sooner. Many seniors worry that they won't be able to see their doctor when they need to. The Affordable Care Act takes another important step toward making sure they can. Beginning in 2011, primary care doctors who see Medicare patients will receive a 10% bonus payment just for taking care of people with Medicare, like you. And general surgeons who practice in areas where doctors are scarce, like rural communities, will get bonus payments as well. If you've had a hospital stay for a serious medical problem, or you've cared for someone who has, you know that it can be difficult to recover at home. It's not uncommon for people to end up back in the hospital because they don't get the care they need to stay healthy at home. Medicare is working with hospitals and communities across the country to give you the support you and your family may need after you leave the hospital. The Community Care Transitions Program helps you, your family, and your doctor work together as a team to figure out what you need to keep you safe and healthy. Finally, it's important to keep Medicare strong. The government is taking aggressive action to stop criminals who steal from Medicare. In 2010, anti-fraud efforts recovered over $4 billion. Finding and preventing fraud and abuse strengthens Medicare for those of us who rely on it to keep us healthy, particularly when we're most in need of medical care. You can find more information on the new health care law and how it affects you on healthcare.gov and medicare.gov.